I want to put something in this area right here. As you can see, these stools, these are some stools that I got, and I have to revamp them. These are the things that I bought to decorate this area. I got something to do with this little area right here because it's really plain and boring, so that's what we're gonna do, and that's that.
As I said with Philip Rivers when he went to Baltimore.
All right, chair is done, so let's move. Decorate this little area. I got these Starburst, well, $14.99 at Ross, and I got 2 of them, so that was $30. This from Ross, and it says find the blessing in everything. That's gonna go up there on that little short piece of wall, and then I'm gonna make like a little collage up there as well. This is choose happy, and this is from the Dollar Tree. This is from Marshall's, this right here, choose happy. This is from the Dollar Tree. It says aim to inspire. That was $1 from the Dollar Tree. And these are just some little mason jars that have like a little candle holder inside of them. And I bought some flowers to just put on, set them on top. I thought that was really cute, and I'm just gonna put 2 of those right there. Wow. I found these little bulbs. These little bulbs are like this, but it's only 1 in this pack, and it's battery operated. It was only $6. It was only 2 left, so I got it. Looks like it was $7.99 original, so it went down $2. I think it's worth about $5, but it's cool. I paid the extra $1. So this has like a little clip. Can y'all see the clip on the inside right there? Just focus. It's a little clip right there. Clip on the inside. And I'm going to clip this to this Starburst and then turn the light on so y'all can see how it looks. I think that's gonna be so cute. And I got 2 of those. It was only 2, but I only needed 2. And the lady actually that was ringing me out, she was like, is there any more of those? And I was like, nope, girl, it was only 2. Have something that's aesthetically pleasing. I don't really want to do too much because I don't want it to look like, they doing too much, you know? So, yeah. I'll be back.
Sean Bay is a top-tier coach in this league. But Max is right. If you were heavily on Jared, and guess what?
Hey, girl.
Yeah. We know, I think, who Sean McVay.
Marvin, why you always do her like that?
She don't like that?
I don't think so.
She be shaking.
Quarterback in the league according to quarterback metrics.
Look at you trying to hold with it. Sit down.
You acquired a dog too. You got the 20 business from Indy. Pressure on the quarterback. You're not saying your point though. It's not just that McVay was successful. It's where he's coming from. The University of Anybody now, and the head coaching master, particularly for what are you about? What are you about? Yes, we played the Jesus. No, he was also in contrast to the else. He's money under pressure. And Jared Goff, I think, is a greater talent. He throws a great.
Yeah, well, no, the other games, write them down.
You know where I'm going.
Go.
Oh, okay, Cowboys and Saints right there.
By giving you more of what you love. Introducing Wendy's Giant Junior Bacon Cheeseburger. Double the beef, double the bacon. It comes in a giant meal for $5 with nuggets and a drink. There's nothing junior about it, except the price. Get Wendy's $5.
Hey, look, baby. Oh, it's giving me expensive vibes. Expensive.
See what you did.
Antonio Brown being back in training with him. I was already told that they were going to consider trade options for him. Maybe now they will go.
Appreciate it, Ian.
That shit fire, though.
Please bring it.
Fire.
About an hour to Brian Cranston joining us on the show today. Ian, that should be
What? Cool. Thanks for the invite.
He's coming into the studio.
I think this the one I put the battery
Is he
in.
bouncing from the table? Careful.
Yeah.
That's your
Oh, I'm hanging, baby.
Brad, I can't talk to to you soon. Speaking of beautiful, what do you got on these coaching vacancies?
Oh, the Dolphins, since Ian, a couple of guys who are still in the playoffs, Chris Richard with the Cowboys, Brian Flores with the Patriots. You're seeing stories and tweets saying, hey, I'm here at
16-0 round, you're still down 10. That can't be good. That means you were down 26. Think about it, they got no bar.
Wow, that's crazy.
Give him a check, D.
66 to 50.
Whatever we gonna give him today, man. I should have put $20 on that.
Come on, girl, I need help with this.
Best record in the Western Conference.
You so
Clippers
tall,
meantime.
come help me, baby.
Having a good year.
Especially he's tall, you know.
Winning streaks now. Both for Murray and Joker, even if they have the second best record. I think because they're on
Just a little bit.
the Aaron Foster, Willie Cauley-Stein. Hey, I got a text from one of my great friends, Mike Wilbon, with a great
Hey, that's short, just like that one. That's the one you tried to get in there. Put it up there first and make sure you're doing it right.
From the time I was like 9 years old until I was probably 14, the majority of that time was spent in an orthodontist office, which is the most awkward point in anyone's life to begin with. I was right out of college and I was starting job interviews and meeting a bunch of new people, and I already noticed that my teeth were starting to shift. Parents spent all that money and kind of
try. I just saw you do it. Yes, I did.
Alright.
It's amazing.
First of all, this is
I specialize in those superheroes.
Thank you very much. Stop. Come on, click it on there. You is a difficult man. That's one thing for sure. A difficult man. Look it up on the thing.
You guys
Fuck no. Okay.
I don't belong here.
I mean,
I ain't saying nothing.
Look on me like that, homie.
You gotta take that out. I don't like that. I don't like that. That looks slow. Take that off. Take that aim to expire off.
I found what worked for me, which is Proactive, and now I'm free.
Clear your skin with Proactive MD because it works.
Yeah, it really works.
Order now. Look, isn't that Frank Thomas?
The big hurt.
More like a big hunk.